Have you ever wondered how a company built on a foundation of deception can deceive some of the sharpest minds in business? Welcome, as we delve into the intricate web of corporate fraud, using the infamous Theranos saga as a case study. In the early 2000s, Theranos, a health technology company, emerged with a promising claim. Its founder, Elizabeth Holmes, proposed a revolutionary technology that could perform a myriad of diagnostic tests with just a few drops of blood. It seemed like a groundbreaking advancement set to disrupt the healthcare industry. But as we would later discover, this was merely the tip of an iceberg of deceit. As we fast forward, it becomes clear that the touted technology didn't work as claimed. Many tests were, in fact, conducted using traditional blood testing equipment. To maintain the illusion of a functioning technology, Theranos employees were allegedly instructed to manipulate and falsify test results. This charade led to patients receiving incorrect medical diagnoses and treatments, a grave consequence of the company's misconduct. Moreover, Theranos failed to meet basic quality control standards. Concerns about the accuracy and reliability of tests were raised from within the company. Yet these cries fell on deaf ears as Theranos continued its operations under a shroud of secrecy. The company did not publish its research or undergo peer review, further raising eyebrows among regulators and the scientific community. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS, conducted investigations into Theranos. Unsurprisingly, they found significant regulatory violations. These led to the FDA banning Theranos' proprietary blood testing technology and the CMS revoking the company's lab operating certificates. Theranos' financial misconduct was equally appalling. The company used inflated valuations and financial projections to secure investments from prominent individuals and companies. It raised hundreds of millions of dollars from investors who were, in truth, misled about the company's financial health. The bubble finally burst when the Wall Street Journal published a series of exposé articles by investigative journalist John Carreyrou. These articles brought the discrepancies between Theranos' claims and its actual practices to public attention, triggering a cascade of investigations and legal actions. The legal consequences were severe. Elizabeth Holmes and former Theranos president Ramesh Sunny Balwani were charged with multiple counts of wire fraud and conspiracy. Holmes faced a high-profile criminal trial, which concluded with her being found guilty in September 2021. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, Balwani's trial was ongoing. In summary, the Theranos saga paints a stark picture of the risks and potential harm of fraudulent practices in the startup world. It underscores the importance of regulatory oversight, transparency, and accountability, particularly in the healthcare and technology sectors. The legal ramifications of such fraudulent behavior, as evidenced by Elizabeth Holmes' conviction and the actions against Theranos executives, serve as a stern reminder of the consequences of corporate deception. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of corporate fraud, as epitomized by the Theranos case. Remember, not all that glitters is gold, especially in the world of business.